You just bought a brand new car. The paint shines, the screen is massive, the features feel futuristic. Everything feels like an upgrade, until one small moment changes everything. You open the trunk, lift the floor panel, and pause. Where's the spare tire? It's not hidden, it's not optional, it's not delayed from the factory, it's gone. And that wasn't an accident. For over a century, spare tires were standard. From early cars like the Ford Model T to modern sedans and SUVs, drivers expected one thing under the trunk floor: a backup plan. So why remove something so basic? The answer starts with money. A spare tire isn't just rubber. It includes a wheel, mounting hardware, a jack, tools, and molded storage space. Individually, the cost seems small, but multiply that by millions of vehicles every year. Suddenly, removing it saves manufacturers hundreds of millions globally. And here's the part most buyers don't realize. Most people never check. Dealerships don't highlight its absence. Ads don't mention it. The trunk looks bigger, cleaner, more spacious, and that's intentional. But cost-cutting isn't the only reason. There's another pressure shaping modern cars: regulations. Around the world, governments enforce strict fuel efficiency and emission standards. In the United States, oversight comes from agencies like the Environmental Protection Agency. In Europe, environmental targets are driven by the European Union. Every kilogram matters. A spare tire can add 15 to 20 kilograms to a vehicle's weight. That extra weight slightly reduces fuel economy. It slightly increases emissions. It slightly hurts official efficiency ratings. And in today's competitive market, slightly matters. Remove the spare tire and suddenly the car performs better on paper without changing the engine at all. It's a quiet adjustment with massive impact. So what replaces it? In many vehicles, you'll find run-flat tires. These are designed to let you drive for about 50 to 80 kilometers after a puncture. On the surface, that sounds like progress, but run-flats are more expensive to replace. They often create a firmer ride, and not every repair shop carries them. Other cars come with a small tire repair kit instead. But those kits only fix minor tread punctures. They do not fix sidewall damage. They do not fix major tears. They do not fix blowouts. If that happens, you're waiting for roadside assistance. Manufacturers now bundle emergency support services. It sounds reassuring, but it also shifts responsibility from the driver to a service network. And that raises an important question. Is this innovation, or is it optimization for profit and policy? Modern cars are smarter than ever, safer than ever, more connected than ever. Yet in one small way, they are less self-sufficient than before. The spare tire wasn't flashy, it wasn't high-tech, it didn't boost horsepower or improve infotainment. But it offered something simple: peace of mind. Now that peace of mind has been replaced by efficiency metrics, cost savings, and service subscriptions. So the next time you open your trunk, take a look underneath. Because what's missing says a lot about how cars are built today. Would you prefer a lighter vehicle and a bigger trunk? Or a backup plan you control yourself? The choice may not have been yours, but the awareness now is.